Part 3. Emma's Visit to the Doctor. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy to see you here today. Today, I have a fun and engaging story for you. But this is not just a story, it's also a great way to improve your English. By listening to this story, you will practice your listening skills, learn new vocabulary and phrases, improve your pronunciation with shadowing. At the end, we will review some useful words and expressions. So stay with me until the end. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we begin, let me tell you how you can practice with this video. First, listen to the story carefully and try to understand the general idea. Then play the video again and repeat along with me. I will speak clearly and slowly so you can follow along. Pause the video after each sentence and repeat it out loud. Try to copy my pronunciation, intonation, and even my emotions. If you do this exercise regularly, you will notice significant improvements in your English pronunciation and fluency. Well, let's find out. Listen carefully and try to follow along with the story. And don't forget, after the story, I will review some valid English words and expressions that appeared in the story so you can learn and remember them. This is the story of a girl named Emma. She had just moved to London to start her studies. She is excited but also a little nervous. Everything is new, the city, the people, and even the way people speak English. One morning, Emma wakes up with a sharp pain in her stomach. At first, she thinks it will go away, but as the hours pass, the pain gets worse. She decides she needs to see a doctor. At the university, Emma struggles to concentrate in class. Her professor explained a vital topic, but she could only focus on the discomfort in her stomach. She rubs her abdomen and frowns. Her classmate, James, notices her expression and leans over. "Are you okay, Emma? You don't look well." Emma sighs. "I have a terrible stomachache. It's been hurting since this morning." James looks concerned. "You should go to the university hospital. They have a student clinic. It's not far from here." Emma hesitates but then nods. "Yeah, I think I should." She calls her friend Olivia. "Olivia, I don't feel well. My stomach hurts." Olivia sounds concerned. "That doesn't sound good, Emma. Do you want me to come with you?" Emma smiles at Olivia's kindness. "No, I'll be okay. But I'll text you." Emma takes a taxi to the university hospital. When she arrives, she is surprised to see how big the hospital is. There are long hallways, people in white coats walking around, and patients waiting in the reception area. She sees signs directing people to different departments: emergency room, radiology, pharmacy, and student health clinic. She walks up to the reception desk. "Excuse me, I need to see a doctor. My stomach hurts." The receptionist smiles. "Do you have an appointment?" Emma shakes her head. "No, I don't." "That's okay. Please fill out this form and take a seat. A nurse will call you soon." Emma sits down and looks around. Posters about flu shots, mental health support, and healthy eating are on the walls. Next to her, she notices a flyer on the table titled Gastrointestinal Health, Symptoms You Shouldn't Ignore. Emma furrows her brows. Gastrointestinal? What does that mean? She takes a picture of the flyer and sends it to Olivia. "What does gastrointestinal mean?" Olivia replies, "It means anything related to the stomach and intestines. It's a medical term." Emma nods and thinks, "I just learned a new word." A few minutes later, a nurse calls Emma's name. "Emma, please come in." Emma follows the nurse into a small examination room. The nurse checked her blood pressure and temperature. "The doctor will see you soon." "Just wait here," the nurse says kindly. A few minutes later, the doctor walks in. He is a tall man with glasses and a friendly smile. "Hello, Emma. I'm Dr. Patel. What seems to be the problem?" Emma explains, "I have had a strong pain in my stomach since this morning, and it's getting worse." Dr. Patel nods. "I see. Do you feel nauseous? Have you eaten anything unusual?" Emma thinks for a moment. "I don't feel nauseous, but I ate some spicy food last night. Maybe that caused it." The doctor examines her and then says, "It looks like you might have indigestion or mild food poisoning. I'll prescribe some medicine to help with the pain." Emma sighs in relief. "So it's nothing serious?" Dr. Patel smiles. "No, but make sure to drink plenty of water and eat light food for the next 2 days." After the appointment, Emma goes to the hospital pharmacy to get her medicine. As she waits, she sees another flyer that says, Preventive Healthcare, Why Regular Checkups Matter. She makes a mental note to look up the word preventive later. On her way out, she texts Olivia, Thanks for telling me to come to the hospital. The doctor says it's just indigestion. Olivia replies, I'm glad. See, you're also learning new words at the hospital. Gastrointestinal preventive healthcare. You're improving every day. Emma smiles. Even though she wasn't feeling well, she still managed to learn something new today. Language takeaway. Now let's look at some useful phrases and vocabulary from Emma's story. These are words and expressions you can use when visiting a doctor or hospital. My stomach hurts is a simple way to describe stomach pain. Example, after eating too much candy, my stomach hurts. Do you have an appointment? Is a question often asked at clinics and hospitals. Example, I called the dentist to ask, Do you have an appointment available today? Take a seat, a polite way to tell someone to sit down. Example, the receptionist said, Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon. Gastrointestinal, related to the stomach and intestines. Example, the doctor specializes in gastrointestinal diseases. Indigestion, stomach discomfort caused by eating too fast or too much. Example, I had indigestion after eating spicy food last night. Preventive healthcare, medical care that helps prevent illnesses before they happen. Example, getting flu shots is an essential part of preventive healthcare. Prescribed medicine, when a doctor gives you a prescription for medicine. Example, the doctor prescribed medicine for my allergies. Every mistake is a step toward improvement, so keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the learning process. I look forward to seeing you on Emma's next adventure.